Hi everyone, I'm Miss Pineda, and here I have scientist Valentina. Today, Valentina, we are doing giant bubbles. Yes, we're doing giant bubbles. What do you think about bubbles? Wow, look at that! So to get started, we're going to use ingredients and materials that we find at home. So you don't have to go to the store. Remember, before you get started, you need to have an adult with you, okay? Can you do it by yourself? No, you can't do it by yourself, girl. To get started, we're gonna use ingredients and materials that you find at home. But before we get the ingredients and materials, you need an adult. Valentina, can you do this by yourself? That's right, you can't do this by yourself. You need someone to help. The following are the ingredients that we are going to use.
Bubbles.
For bubbles, yes, to make our giant bubbles.
Water. Gum. Baking soda. Salt.
Next are the materials that we're gonna need. We're gonna need measuring spoons, measuring spoons. Why do you have to go? Next are the materials that we're gonna need. We're gonna need
Bubbles.
yes, giant bubbles. We're gonna need measuring spoons, pipe cleaners, cooking spoon, and an aluminum bin. Yeah, you're strong.
Step 1.
You're gonna take half a tablespoon of guar gum.
And then we're going to open it. Then my turn. Step 2.
We're gonna take 2 bottles of Dawn soap and pour it in the aluminum bin. Ready? Here you go. Pour it inside there, in here, all of it. Okay.
Step 3.
And now we're gonna take these 2 ingredients and mix them together. Here you go, scientist. Mix, mix, mix. We gotta make sure that both ingredients are mixed very, very well.
I don't know what has snipped.
You're doing a good job. Keep going. Right here.
Yellow. My turn. Step 4.
Yes, step 4. We're gonna take a gallon
Water.
and a half of water. And kids, you can use the gallon that I'm using is from an empty milk gallon. So that's all you have to use. There you go. Thank you, little scientist. Put that in the side right there. And then this is the half. I measured it using half of the gallon and I put it in this glass container.
Step 5.
We're gonna grab the cooking spoon and we are going to mix.
I'm gonna mix it.
Yes, we're gonna mix it very softly. We want to make sure that it doesn't spill over. Keep keep mixing. Very good, very good. Good job. So far, we've mixed the water with the soap and the guar gum.
Step 6.
We're gonna take the baking soda. We're gonna put 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Put it in there. Very good.
One more.
Very good.
Can I have more?
And here's the half. Good job. High five.
Step 7.
We're going to mix the remaining ingredients. Yeah, here you go. Now you want to be very careful when you're mixing it. You don't want to mix it too fast, okay? The final step is making your wand. You can use anything around your house that's circular or that you can use to create a bubble. We're going to use, Valentina, 4 pipes. Okay, you're going to count it with me just to make sure.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. So look at this, Valentina. I'm going to grab the ends and I'm going to twist it to make sure that they grab on. Now we have one long string. Now let's grab the third one. Twist it. Remember, you need an adult for this. Then we have 3 so far. We need 1 more.
Yeah.
Twist it.
Let me hold it for you.
We won't need that one. Now we have 4 pipe cleaners. We're going to connect them at each end.
We need more.
And then, we don't need any more. Thank you. Then we're going to twist, twist, twist until we have a handle right here. And if you want, you can do the other side as well. Check this out. Now we have a big circle that we're going to use to create a bubble. Yeah? Hold it. Whoa! Look at that! And the final step, guys, is making the bubbles. Let's make a bubble.